Sell eating sweeties, eat a green paper cookie. By come a lassie offered me a kiss, and offer I should never think in scorning. She bolted with my sweeties, got my heat through the glass, and my granny dealt with this next morning. You should never tie a knot in a big dog's tail, never take a drink of water for a rooster or a pail. It's plenty to understand why a bobby for a bat, and the reader's chicken ebbers or I got on the top. A laddie he'd put stuff in his old granny's tea, but he snuffed it up himself for she can't, so they say. All water tuppence hate me though it's a gamma in that the neck him never tickled with a station mill again. It's a sore thing, love, and it strikes you in the waistcoat, and you thought you were getting inside. Man, it's hook hum have, and you find you've been courting another laddie's lassie all the time. Man, for love is like a jube sprinkled down with sugar. Then another laddie turns it into Surix altogether. It's on his side like the huddle of a jug alcale early in the morning. When a man gets a strike for Cupid's little arrow, it's like hurling in a perambulator down the hill of Barra. And Finchy, when I hate you, it's like lying on a rack with 1,000 muggy money feet crawling up your back. It's aye the biggest sheep that's smored among the snaw. When you're fishing sign, it's aye the biggest trout that wins a war. A particular lassie I would like to pet, that's just the very in you may be sure you wanna get. I once went to a ball in the Oldtown Riddle, for I've never seen so many bonny daddies. I was up to my een among marmalade and trickle and as happy as a craw among the tatties. Big lassies, little lassies, short lassies, tall lassies, all kinds of lassies for to blind me. But the floor of the ball was little Polly Proctor, that's the lassie I was forced to leave behind me. I once went Timmer and he's with a bag of yellow huddocks watching, but the other laddies leathered me and filled my bag with puddocks. It was sair to all of that I hated you, but this time I thought I'm in great heck. For Polly said she'd marry me and nae other buddy, so I kissed pretty Polly, but she'd never get a cheap. Polly's run a wall with a lantern shafted sludger with a face as yellow as a built Swedish neat. Oh, you've never seen a wreck like my old horse dubbing. You could hang your jacket on his hardies. He was broken of the wind, and Finny tried to run, made a racket like a dozen hardy-gardies. I went to the market and swapped him for a balaclava charger for the south man. But I didn't know what the block and although I was out to dry for fear he'd be finding out the truth, man. Oh, I fairly thought I'd done a clever tricky new, but sick a counting out the tale I never did expect, for a Friesly Almani with a roly-poly face like a gingerbread rabbit with a cleaty root. I went to the market and swap it, do you see, my old horse dubbing that was blown upon a knee. Hame fae the market just as drouthy as I saith the fiddle he'd it jigger that was blown upon them bay.